For my interactive whiteboard lesson, I chose to use the program Active Inspire. Today we will be learning about combining like terms. As a warm-up, students will simplify the following expressions. Then we will start our lesson on combining like terms by first copying down a few definitions, what a polynomial is, monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Students will then write what a like term is. We will do a few examples. 4x and 6x, 3x squared and 2x squared, 3x squared y, and x squared y are all examples of like terms. They have the same variable with the same exponent. To combine like terms, all you have to do is add the coefficients. Now, the first one, students will be asked 3x plus 10x. They guess 13x. Let's check. 13x is the correct answer. Same goes for all three examples. As a class, they will have to decide if the example is an example of like terms. 3x and negative 7x. Yes. 7y and 7x. No. 3x squared y, 2xy squared. No. Negative 4a squared b cubed and 3a squared b cubed. Yes. Let's move on. Now we're going to play a little game. Sort the like terms and beat the clock. The rules of the game. Students will be divided into teams and lined up. The first person in line will go to the board and move one of the floating terms to its correct circle. Repeat this procedure with the next person in line until all floating terms are in a circle. The team will total the first circle and write the total on the board. Repeat this procedure until all circles are totaled. You may choose to assign each circle to a few people to total. Then your team is done. Stop the clock. Be careful. For every incorrect total, 10 seconds will be added to your time. Let's get started with an example game. All right. So I'm going to combine my like terms by dragging my expression into the correct circle. Once all my yellow terms are in the correct circle, I will then total each circle. For my x's, I have 2x plus x plus x plus 5x, which gives me a total of 9x. For my x squares, I have 7x squared as my total. For my xy, I have 10xy, and for my y squares, I have 4y squared. After we go over the example, Team 1 will line up, and I will start the clock as soon as the first person moves their first coefficient. This is what the games look like. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, and Team 4. I hope you liked my lesson. Thank you.